Understanding Prompts in AI. In today's presentation, we will explore the concept of understanding prompts in AI. Prompts are a crucial aspect of artificial intelligence as they serve as the starting point for AI systems to generate or perform various tasks. By understanding prompts, we can unlock the full potential of AI and leverage it effectively in our daily lives and work. What is a prompt? A prompt is a concise instruction or input that an AI system uses to generate, analyze, or perform a specific task. Prompts can take various forms, such as text, images, or even audio. They provide the AI system with the necessary context and guidance to understand the desired output or action. Prompts are essential in AI because they allow users to communicate their intentions and requirements to the AI system. By crafting well-designed prompts, users can direct the AI to produce content, solve problems, or make decisions that align with their specific needs. Effective prompts are characterized by several key elements. 1. Clarity. The prompt should be clear, concise, and unambiguous, leaving no room for misinterpretation by the AI system. 2. Specificity. The prompt should provide enough detail and context to guide the AI system towards the desired output or action. 3. Relevance. The prompt should be relevant to the task at hand, ensuring that the AI system focuses on the right problem or objective. 4. Creativity. Prompts can also incorporate creative elements, such as open-ended questions or imaginative scenarios, to encourage the AI system to generate unique and innovative solutions. To illustrate the concept of prompts, let's consider an example. Imagine you want an AI system to generate a short story about a magical forest. A well-crafted prompt for this task might be: write a 300-word short story about a young adventurer who discovers a hidden magical forest filled with enchanted creatures and ancient secrets. Describe the sights, sounds, and emotions the adventurer experiences as they explore this mystical realm. This prompt provides clear instructions, specific details about the desired story, and enough creative freedom for the AI system to generate a unique and engaging narrative. Prompts can also be used to fine-tune or customize the output of an AI system. For example, you might want to generate a product description for an online store. By crafting a prompt that includes specific details about the product, target audience, and desired tone, you can ensure that the AI-generated description aligns with your brand and marketing objectives. Here's an example of a prompt for generating a product description. Write a 150-word product description for a high-quality, eco-friendly water bottle targeted at health-conscious millennials. The description should highlight the bottle's durable construction, sustainable materials, and sleek design. Use a friendly, conversational tone to engage the audience. As you can see, prompts play a crucial role in unlocking the full potential of AI systems. By understanding the key elements of effective prompts and practicing their creation, you can leverage AI to tackle a wide range of tasks, from content generation to problem solving and decision making. Remember, the success of an AI system often depends on the quality and thoughtfulness of the prompts provided. By investing time in crafting well-designed prompts, you can ensure that the AI system delivers outputs that are aligned with your goals and expectations. In summary, understanding prompts in AI is essential for effectively utilizing these powerful technologies. Prompts serve as the bridge between human intentions and AI capabilities, allowing us to communicate our needs and guide the AI system towards the desired outcomes. By mastering the art of prompt creation, you can unlock new possibilities and harness the transformative power of AI to enhance your personal and professional endeavors. As we continue to explore the frontiers of artificial intelligence, the ability to craft effective prompts will become an increasingly valuable skill in the years to come. In conclusion, understanding prompts in AI is a crucial skill that can unlock the full potential of these transformative technologies. By crafting clear, specific, and relevant prompts, you can guide AI systems to generate, analyze, and perform tasks that align with your goals and objectives. As we continue to explore the frontiers of artificial intelligence, the ability to effectively communicate with these systems through well designed prompts will become an increasingly valuable asset. By mastering the art of prompt creation, you can leverage the power of AI to enhance your personal and professional endeavors and contribute to the ongoing advancements in this exciting field.